What is it, Dave, baby? We got Jan and Coral here for the third day. And we
on the
26th, and it is the March 1st today.
Crazy.
My baby's first day out in quite a while.
Long time.
Long time.
Healed up.
All healed up. There we go. There we go. Probably feels like a trigger, and not fast, but of course, I'm wrapped around my leg. Oh. There we go. It's wrapped around my. Babe, I think there might be another one with him again. Hang on. No, yeah, there's another one with him. See if you can cast into my line. Just wherever my fish is the other one's there. Ready to take more? We get a double header. He's right at mine. He's like trying to take the fly out of his mouth. This is funny. I see that. Oh, you got one? You got one? Set the hook. Is he gone? He's set that hook in him. Pull on it. Pull on him. Okay. How big is he? Another one? Okay. All right, double header. He wants to take, what was it? Another jack? There, take one reel. And then tighten up your drag if you need to, because we haven't had any good fish on that rod yet. Here, maybe I'll grab your, I don't know what size is. Oh. Okay, that's okay. Oh, that's a nice one. Babe, that's a beauty. So yeah, don't let him play out first before you get him too far pulled in. You're gonna do good here. This is so funny. This is a riot. Double header. First good double header we've had. That's incredible.
That's awesome, you guys.
All right.
I don't have my glasses. Oh,
Come in tight here.
that's awesome. I can get my shoes off.
Beauties.
Wow.
We got dinner.
Nice catch. Double.
Cowfish and the crab. So cool. Too big from deep. Yeah. All right, baby. Looks like he's got some weight to him. I love it. Love it. I think I'm recording. Oh, came unglued. Oh, whoa. That looks like a fast fish. That's no, I don't think that's a trigger. I don't think so. It's crab going too fast. Another jack? Jack? Maybe? It looked like it had some speed.
It's about the end of my backing.
Yeah. I want to see your backing. I want to see it. Come on, fish, take it. Yeah, look at that. That's fast. Yeah, that's it. You want to get the fingers out of the way.
Shoot, I mean.
They call them knuckle busters for a reason. Over here, bed. That's work. Awesome stuff. Put them in the sunshine a little bit. Turn that system up. There we go. Perfect. Love the blue of that. Awesome. We definitely had a good day out there. We got enough fish for one full meal and probably some more. Yeah, this is the most fish we've ever had here, so that's just very blessed today.
We brought the good luck to the Yucatan.
Yes, the mules.